Every professional architect knows that a building does not exist in a vacuum. Placing your design within the perfect context is the absolute key to producing a truly successful and convincing visual presentation. But let's be honest, manually creating detailed 3D environments, adding realistic foliage, and perfectly matching the lighting of a specific location is one of the most tedious tasks in architecture. It often consumes more time than designing the building itself, and time is money. This is exactly why we created the surroundings tool for Toscape AI, your magical solution to this universal problem. With Toscape AI, grounding your project in reality has never been simpler or faster. Open our extensive background environment library and explore dozens of meticulously curated settings tailored to suit any architectural vision. Whether your project belongs in a quiet suburban neighborhood, a bustling European financial district, or a breathtaking Mediterranean hillside village, the perfect backdrop is just a click away. Simply select your desired environment and hit process. In seconds, Toscape AI seamlessly integrates your building into the new landscape. It intelligently analyzes your structure and perfectly matches the lighting, terrain, and atmospheric depth of the chosen context without the need for complex compositing or hours of Photoshop work. Imagine showing a client their design nestled perfectly in a snowy mountain resort, complete with realistic frost and winter lighting, and then instantly swapping it to a sunny, vibrant European street corner. Stop struggling with mismatched backgrounds and tedious post-processing. Give your designs the spectacular environments they deserve, impress your clients instantly, and elevate your architectural workflow today with Toscape AI.